Welcome to another episode of the Body Language Curriculum. My name is Jesse Lopez, and I am so excited to get to share with you about one of my favorite concepts inside of West Coast Swing. That is the concept that West Coast Swing is a literal language that we can interpret and speak with one another. Because of that, because it's a physical dance language, we have to follow a specific grammatical structure. So the two most important structures that I think you need to be aware of are when we're using the term 6-count and 8-count sentences. Look guys, that means that when we dance a 6-count, we're going to step once, twice, the 3 and 4, then 5 and 6. Even though I didn't do a specified pattern, I danced a 6-count sentence. The structural timing of our dance related to a double, triple, triple. When we do that inside of an 8-count sentence, that means double, triple, extra double, triple. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Broken down into sets of 2, we'll step 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, then 7 and 8. Followers, you're doing the same thing. You're just starting on your right foot. You'll go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. That's a 6-count sentence. To do the 8-count, we switch with 1, 2, then 3 and 4, the 5, 6, then 7 and 8. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have a good time practicing. Babe, just here with the Westie Language Seminar.
Since people of the town, we are here with the seminar.
Language. Language is what brings us together. Thank you guys for joining me. Keep practicing and have a good time doing it. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the dance floor because my name is Robert Royston! That's how we define an 8-count sentence.